Your belt was in your freaking pants, dude.
Dude.
I don't know what to tell you. Why is it my job to look after your stuff? It's not my job to find your shit. It's your job. Find it?
No.
Why don't you try your closet?
I looked.
I don't know what to tell you.
Come on.
Did you find it?
No.
Still looking?
Yeah. Where is it? You have it.
No, I don't. Look, I found the belt.
Give me it.
You want the belt?
Give me the
Look, I found the belt. Do you have eyes, Joe? I'm just curious. Do you have eyes?
Yes. Do you have eyes?
Babe, do you feel better now? You got your belt. Why?
Oh, cranky.